guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are just going to do a pretty quick look. I just kind of decided I was going out tonight, might as well turn on the camera. So really I was just messing around with an eye and then decided to film the other eye. So this is just going to be a really quick video. I did use the new Cranberry palette from Natasha Denona and the gold palette because, you know, they're expensive, so I'm going to use them as much as possible and make sure I can test them out in any way I want. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. It's just a comfortable day. I'm in my robe. Hopefully we won't have a nip slip, but we'll see how it goes. And let's go ahead and get into this. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And yeah, let's go ahead and get in. Get ready with me. Okay, so this palette is definitely going to be the main star, but I felt like I needed a few extra little colors in there. So we are actually going to take the gold palette first. We're going to take that Mustard Dijon shade, and we're just going to take that through the crease. I just feel weird going in with such a dark purple to start with, so I figured I might as well use all my expensive palettes that have made me grow broke. So the next shade we're going to grab is this one right here from the Cranberry. And go through. And I'm taking this pretty high up. I just like that base. I mean, I guess you don't really need that Dijon shade, but I liked how it looked layered over that. Like I said, this is super buildable. Like, as you see, this isn't so dark, but I am deepening it up quite a bit. I'm then going to go in with this shade right here and clear my throat so I don't sound like a smoker, which I don't know why my throat does this. And I don't feel like walking downstairs for water. So my husband's like, we have to be ready in 20 minutes. We're going to go see the fights at a friend's house, so I'm trying to hurt here. All right. Next, on a small brush, I'm going to go back into this shade right here. And I'm going to kind of just stamp it on the outer, kind of drag that out, deepen up that outer corner. So funny, these looks are always so scary at this point because you just look like, you might look like you have a bruise. Like my husband, I only did this eye first and I just started and he's like, it looks like someone like punched you in the face. And I was like, thanks, babe. It's so sweet. All right. Next, with a flat brush, I am going to wet the brush with some Max Fix Plus. You don't need to, it's intense on its own, but I'm just like in that habit where I just like kind of feel like I have to do it. And we are going to take this center shade all over the lid. It's such a pretty shade. I do always end up going back in with my finger even if I do wet the brush. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so back in with the gold palette on a wet brush, I'm gonna pick up Oro. This one you definitely don't need Fix Plus for. It's such a vibrant shade. And I'm going to take that just in the center. I thought about doing a cut crease because I thought maybe they would show up a lot more, but I was like, they show up just fine on their own. Ain't no one got time for that tonight. It's Saturday. I'm in a robe. I don't feel like putting a bra on, and I definitely don't feel like doing a cut crease. So I like mixing palettes to get looks. I was wondering, is that hard for you guys to follow? Like, I want to definitely use more than, like, I obviously am going to use a lot more than Natasha Denona, so I would love to know what colors you guys want me to use, if it's okay that I dip back and forth, or does that like frustrate you? Because I know there's some videos where I get frustrated if they reach into too many palettes. I'm like, but then at the same time, like, well, I have similar shades and I could just find them wherever I am, so whatever. Now we're going to take this lilac shade on a tiny brush and pack that in. Okay, so now on a clean brush, we're not going to go in with any more product. I'm just going to blend and just make sure everything is nice and together. We're also going to put that lilac shade on the brow bone. Not in my eyebrows, Stefania. That's not the look we're going for. Next, I'm going to mix these two shades on a pencil brush. And take them through. So now I'm going to take a clean Q-tip. It has a little bit of makeup remover on there. I'm just going to run this along my lower lash line, like right into my tear duct, just to make sure that I can get some of the products off, because right now I know I have eyeshadow like super close in. I absolutely hate doing this part. But it makes it so that if I want to put a lighter color in the waterline, that it actually shows up. Ooh, ooh, and my eyes are watering. Okay, now with the Marc Jacobs Pink of Me, we're gonna go in to the lower lash line. But yeah, if I had tried to do this without wiping it off, it just wouldn't show up at all. And then I'm gonna go back in, obviously, where it went a little too low. Got a little excited about that. What are everyone else's plans for the weekend? I wanna go Halloween shopping. I cannot wait to do Halloween looks this year. I'm really, really excited. And a little nervous. I don't know how they're gonna go, but hopefully they go well, and we will see what happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna go add in some liner and mascara. We will be right back. It's like I feel like I look like I need more bronzer, but I have so much on. Like in person, you guys would be like, you're crazy. Like I look ridiculous, but on camera, it just does not transfer. So I'm gonna leave it like this, because I'm actually gonna go see people, and I don't need them being like, she's crazy. Okay, so lips, I'm gonna go in with Kylie's Iced Latte lip liner. And then I wouldn't mind showing face stuff. It's just sometimes I feel like everyone already has their own way of doing face stuff that I feel like they don't really care that much, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if I really need to see people put on their base a lot. Eyebrows, I just hate them. They're the devil. For lips, we are going to take Sextrology from Pat McGrath. It's just a really pretty pink. I'm going to top it with some Fenty Gloss Bomb, just in the center. And then, now we are going to spray the face with this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Actually, I do like this one. I think because the mint, it like relaxes me rather than making me feel like disgusting. Highlight, we are going to go in with this Natasha Denona Duochrome. I feel like this kind of died. I don't know what happened. Like, I feel like it came out and I was so excited about it, and no one ever talks about it. So, that's okay. I still love it. So, it's definitely very pigmented, so you kind of have to be a little careful. Hopefully I don't screw up this whole look, but I just think it's going to go really well with this whole vibe. Like, see, like it has that pretty shift to it. I'm going to take it kind of up. And it can kind of go in the center, because it does have that peachiness as well. Like, you guys can see when you pick it up in the brush, it definitely looks pink, not gold. But I think this is one of my favorite products from her that nobody seems to use anymore or talk about. I want to do a video, I think, of products that I love that brands don't make more of, or brands like stop making that I want more of. Let me know what you guys think about that, because I feel like that would be a fun video to do. Alright guys, that is, oh, a boob popped out. Okay, the hair. Whew. Okay, that is it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love the way that this came out as well. I'm just having a good makeup week with these Natasha Denona products, so let me know what shades you want me to use next. I love to test out a palette more and more. I don't necessarily like to do a review and then you never talk about it again. Like, I need to use it like every day for a week to make sure that I absolutely love it. So let me know what you guys want to see. what else you guys want to see. I would love to know. And yeah, I'm still on the palette if you couldn't tell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.